welcome back to Sus Squad Family TV. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and watching our videos. Your support shall always mean the absolute world to us. And now, on the latest news, Meghan Markle introduced Oprah to this wellness brand, Clever Blends, and it's on Oprah's favorite things list. Have you guys enjoyed Clever Blends? It's a fantastic super latte, and I'm sure that each and every single one of you who's bought it have enjoyed. How many of you have actually bought Meghan Markle's Clever Blends? How many of you? Oprah is a huge fan of Clever Blends. So Meghan Markle's go-to superfood latte is on Oprah's favorite things 2021 list. Oprah Winfrey wrote on Oprah Daily that her royal Montecito neighbor introduced the woman-led wellness brand Clever. In particular, the instant latte blends made with adaptogens and superfood to help with energy, mood, and focus. Oprah's favorite things include the Clever Super Latte Starter Kit at $74, which comes with the Golden Super Latte Chai Super Latte and a portable milk frother. My neighbor Megan, yes, that one, introduced me to this woman-led wellness brand. Not a day goes by without me sipping on the golden latte from this kit, which also comes with chai latte mix and a little frother. You can add the mixes to smoothies for a flavor boost too. Oprah has shared. So, Clever Super Latte Starter Kit. I hope you got each and every single one of you has actually tasted it. It's absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful and it's really tasty. I'm sure that each and every single one of you who's bought it actually loves it as much as I do. So Meghan Markle is making a mark on Oprah's favorite things. My neighbor Megan, yes, that one, introduced me to this woman-led wellness brand. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that Meghan Markle keeps supporting women. It means the absolute world. And the women out there need to be empowered. And Meghan Markle is right there helping women. And it makes me so proud to see it. And I'm sure that every single woman on our channel loves to see it as well. Now, Clever Super Latte blends are 100% plant-based and have no added sugar. According to Clever, the blends are formulated with organic Arabica coffee and vegan creamers, plus organic ashwagandha for stress reduction, lion's mane mushroom for brain health, reishi for immunity, and probiotics to aid digestion. Oprah's favorite things 2021 list boasts of a total of 110 holiday gifts celebrating the 25th anniversary of the list. Unlike last year's Oprah's approved gifts, all of our favorite things will be available to shop directly on Amazon. This year's favorite things highlights women-owned and people of color-owned businesses across categories of fashion, beauty, food, homeware, toys, and lifestyle. After this past year, I think we all deserve some surprises and delights for the holiday season, Oprah wrote in the magazine. That's why we worked hard to find these truly incredible items, extra important to us this year, celebrating small businesses, women-owned brands, and items created by people of color. You're bound to find something for everyone on your list. Just don't forget to treat yourself. Oprah's favorite things list is the perfect gift guide to shop for the holiday season, whether you're shopping for family, friends, or co-workers. Oprah's list is filled with finds that would be great gifts for anyone on your shopping list. This is absolutely fantastic, and I am loving it. And I'm sure that each and every single one of you are loving it as well. Have you tested? How many of you guys have had the Clever Blends Super Latte that Meghan Markle has invested in? And this company has been backed by Meghan Markle and has also been given a special plug by her Montecito neighbor, Oprah Winfrey. Now, in December 2020, the Duchess of Sussex announced that she had invested in an instant oat milk latte company called Clever Blends. Now, US celebrity Oprah Winfrey has included the coffee by Clever Blends in her list of favorite things from 2021. The Clever Blends Superlatte Starter Kit was included in the food section of Oprah's gift guide. Oprah's gift guide presented the coffee brand with a discount code and a link to the brand's website. So the Duchess of Sussex promoted the Clever Blends in an Instagram post in December 2020 where she called it her new drink of choice. Actually, Oprah was the one who promoted the Clever Blends in an Instagram post in December 2020 where she called it her new drink of choice. Oprah gave her endorsement of the coffee brand, which she called a woman-led company. Meghan Markle is empowering women who have actually run Clever Blends and has actually made a significant investment in Clever Blends. And this is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And in this, it also comes with chai latte mix and a little further. You can add the mixes to smoothies for a flavor boost too. And Oprah was introduced to these Clever Blends by Meghan Markle. And this is absolutely fantastic. And how many of you guys have actually tasted it? Because cookies and cream, tell me about, have you tasted it? And Rosa Roberts, Lydia Washington, have you had the Clever Blends? I want to hear directly from you guys. Church Nelly, have you had it? This is absolutely fantastic. So Oprah said that my new drink of choice for the morning and night. Wish I had at Clever Blend sooner because I would have added it to my favorite things list. Happy holidays. It's absolutely fantastic. And congratulations to Meghan Markle. And the fact that Meghan Markle keeps on succeeding, it's only a matter of time before she becomes a billionaire. And I'm right there, so happy to be a part of this journey, to support Meghan Markle and Prince Harry in this journey. It's been absolutely incredible. And the time is coming when they'll become billionaires. And I'm loving it. And I just cannot wait to see it. For you to see it as well, join me in this journey. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like our videos. Thank you guys so much, and help us grow our audience by subscribing to our channel and sharing our videos. Thank you so much. Be blessed with so much love from Squad Family TV. I hope you enjoyed our podcast today. Thank you.